Tired of Raiz? Feeling like it's not the right fit anymore? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to stop investing in Raiz and explore some potential alternatives. Let's dive in. First things first, understand your reasons for leaving. Are you unhappy with the fees? Disappointed with the returns? Found a better investment strategy? Pinpointing your reasons will help you make a smooth transition and avoid repeating the same mistakes in the future. Now, let's talk about the process of withdrawing your funds. Generally, there are a few key steps involved. Log into your Raiz account, access your account through the app or the website. Navigate to the Withdraw or Redeem section, look for the option to withdraw your investments. Choose your withdrawal method, decide how you want to receive your funds, whether it's back to your linked bank account or another designated account. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw, enter the amount you want to redeem. Confirm your withdrawal request, double-check all the details before submitting your request. Important considerations. Withdrawal limits and processing times. Be aware of any withdrawal limits or processing times imposed by Raiz. These details should be clearly outlined in their terms and conditions. Tax implications. Understand the tax implications of withdrawing your investments. Capital gains tax may apply, so consult with a financial advisor if needed. Withdrawal fees. Check if there are any withdrawal fees associated with your Raiz account. Some platforms may charge a small fee for withdrawing funds. Alternatives to Raiz. Consider your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term growth, short-term gains, or a balanced portfolio? Research other investment platforms. Explore options like robo-advisors, Betterment, Wealthfront, brokerage accounts, Vanguard, Fidelity, or even direct stock investing. Compare fees and features. Carefully compare the fees, investment options, and features offered by different platforms to find the best fit for your needs. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about your next steps, consult with a qualified financial advisor. They can help you assess your risk tolerance, investment goals, and recommend suitable investment strategies. Tips for a smooth transition. Document your investment history. Keep records of your investment history with Raiz, including your contributions, returns, and any fees incurred. Stay organized. Maintain a clear record of your withdrawals and any subsequent investments. Review your investment strategy. Use this opportunity to reassess your investment goals and make any necessary adjustments. Leaving Raiz doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By following these steps and carefully considering your options, you can smoothly transition your investments and find a platform that better aligns with your financial goals. Remember to do your research, compare your options, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.